Did you know that cats are smarter than we often give them credit for? Here are 9 fascinating facts about feline intelligence and cunning. First up, cats can solve puzzles. They love a good challenge, especially if it involves food. Next, they have incredible memory skills. Cats can remember places and people for years. Ever seen a cat open a door? They can learn to manipulate their environment to get what they want. And let's not forget their communication skills. Cats use a variety of sounds and body language to express themselves. Finally, they can even understand human emotions. They know when you're happy or sad and respond accordingly. So, what do you think? Are you ready to appreciate your smart cat even more?